Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, we will show you how you can fix Steam not downloading games. So first, open your Steam app. While you are in a Steam app, click Steam at the upper left of your Steam app. After that, click Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, click Downloads. Now that we are in the Downloads tab, select your download region and make sure that your download region is where you live or at least near at. Make sure that the throttle downloads while streaming is disabled. After that, go to the Storage tab and click the three dots. After that, click Repair Library. If they ask your permission, just click Yes. It takes a few minutes or seconds to repair. Now let's go back to Download tab. Click Clear Cache and confirm if they ask for your permission, and the Steam will restart. And that's it. That's how to fix Steam not downloading games. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.